Hey there everyone, Top Chef Jago Moore here with Let's Move TCI, and I'm going to show you how to make a very healthy and simple salad today with a homemade vinaigrette. Ingredients you'll be needing is olive oil, Dijon mustard, lemons and limes, and a little bit of garlic. It's going to be quick and easy and very much healthy and delicious. Let's go! Hey guys, so we have a quick and easy salad option for those lunches that you're just running out of the door. So we have our leftover grilled chicken and we have our salad greens. It's gonna be quick, fast, and easy. Just watch. We're gonna cut up some sweet peppers. You can use any color of peppers you want, any vegetable you want for your salad. It's all up to you. I like sweet peppers, onions, and I have some radish there also. It's going to complement everything very beautifully. Get some more color in there. Be careful. I've been doing this for a while. Get some yellow. Nice thin slices, so if you want it thicker, it's all up to you. That's one thing I like about cooking. It's fun and easy, and also it's a quick way to just do things that you love doing. If you don't want them to be thin, you can make them thicker. It's all in your taste. Thin slices of onion. And that should do it. Get them nice and mixed up so everything is evenly distributed over our salad. Nice and fresh greens. Some onion. Not too much. I'm not a big fan of raw onion, so I'm gonna put a little bit. Get this organized. And our chicken. Some nice thin slices of our chicken breasts. Look at that, they're still juicy. Keeping it a little fancy. Spread it out. Place that on the top. Beautiful. Some of our radish. And I want to show you how quick and easy this is. You can use a blender if you have one, but I always like to use these little storage cups. You can get them at IGA. They're very useful. They come in kits of 4. About $2 I think is for them. You can just put all of your ingredients inside, make your vinaigrette, and just carry it behind you. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're gonna start with. We're gonna add in some fresh garlic, some black pepper, some Dijon mustard as an emulsifier to bring everything together. That's about half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. And I like to carry over the flavors from the protein that I'm using, which is the chicken. So we use the Cajun seasoning on the chicken. I'm gonna add a little bit to our vinaigrette. And guess what? That's it. Simple, quick, and fast. Put the top on. Give it a shake, and your vinaigrette is done. Look at that. I made that salad in about a minute or 2. Vinaigrette is done. You can keep it inside and carry it with your salad for when time for lunch, or you could drizzle it over and enjoy it now. Simple and delicious. Y'all better come and get yourself one of these. It's a chicken salad. I hope you all enjoyed this one. This was very quick and easy, and I really love this one. I eat this on a regular basis. Simple chicken salad. See you next time. I am Top Chef Jago Moore. This has been Let's Move TCI.